Hey everybody, back again for another update. Lots going on since the last one, so I'm gonna get right to it. Paint's done. Icy gray throughout the main area and the kitchen. Soft yellow here in the bedroom. A soft kind of corally green in the bathroom. And then the mezzanine we're leaving just primed white. And so really the theme is bright and light, and it really complements the amount of natural light that we have in here. There was 5 existing windows in the shop when we bought it, and then we went and added the French doors as well as the 4x6 window in the bedroom, and then we added this neat feature, which is a solar tube. It's a metal sleeve that kind of goes through the ceiling, through the roof. It's got a plexiglass dome on the top. It catches tons of light, and then it brings it right into the, wherever you want. But in our case, we're bringing it right over top of the kitchen island. So we get as much natural light as we can. And then also we went with a glass door on the mezzanine storage, which allows the light from those south-facing windows to penetrate into the main area. So again, bright light. And maybe you noticed, speaking of bright and light, white cabinets are in, kitchen's in. So Home Hardware, really awesome system they've got where they help you design what you're looking for. They're not custom made cabinets, they're prefabbed, and then you just kind of select which ones you want, which really helps you save money and then still get exactly what you want. Quiet closing hardware here, which if you're like me and have young kids, is a must because they slam everything possible, and it helps with wear and tear. So again, white, bright. You can see casing and baseboards on, so light and bright everywhere. And then to contrast, the dark hardware on the cabinets, and also dark countertops. These are granite countertops, M3 Stoneworks in Burlington. Really came through for us when the company we had originally picked out a counter with decided that they no longer have that countertop, and so left us kind of scrambling a bit, and to the rescue Mike from M3 Stoneworks. So great company, great guy to work with, and really understood we were on a time crunch and got it done for us. So big thanks to them. And also flooring's in. So again, bright everywhere else, and then contrast with the dark counter and the dark flooring. Otherwise you get like a laboratory look, right, when it's too bright. So we want bright everywhere, but the contrast is important too. And then in terms of selection, barn board style, luxury vinyl. And we went back and forth with hardwood, bamboo, engineered hardwood. What's the best choice? And really we went with value here, because the luxury vinyl looks great and it's slightly less expensive than those other choices, and it's actually more durable than those other choices too. So it's got better moisture resistance, it's got better scratch resistance. So really bang for your buck. Luxury vinyl is the way to go when you're remodeling or when you're fresh building like this. And check it out, we've got lights in here. Electrical's 95% done, let's say. Switches, receptacles are in, and yeah, these flush mount LED pot lights are throughout. They're dimmable. They're LEDs, so they last a long time. And yeah, they're a great choice for complementary lighting. You still have lamps and things, but it's perfect for what we need. We've added the ceiling fan in there for air circulation, especially at nighttime. It's great. That's going to be a nicer vanity light. It's just more of a trouble light right now until that's finished. We'll do the bathroom on another video. But pot lights out throughout the mezzanine, and still to come some nice pendant lights over the island, and a ceiling mount over the sink there. Really, design consideration with the kitchen here was that's a pre-existing window, and we didn't want to move the window if we didn't have to, and so we wanted the sink in front of the window, and that's really the where it all started. Okay, let's keep the sink in front, and then how do we do everything else, as well as the island was a must, and it's actually a wraparound counter space, so eating area as well. And then last but not least, once the paint went up, the heat pumps were able to go up. So we've got one here in the main room, we've got one in the bedroom, and then we've got one up in the mezzanine there. And really, in terms of decision making, it was heat pumps versus a central air system. And you know, choice number one was we didn't want to run nat gas over here if we didn't have to save money and to also not burn natural gas. And so then you're comparing electric air-to-air heat pumps versus a electric central air furnace, and then it's a no-brainer, because then we save money based on not having to run ductwork. And these heat pumps do heating and cooling, so you don't need like an AC unit. So it's 3 heads, 1 condensing unit outside. Originally the knock on them was that they can't handle the cold Canadian winters, but that was over a decade ago, and now these are cold weather heat pumps, and they're going to do everything that we need them to do. So still to come some major plumbing. We still need water connected here, and then all of the fixtures connected. Appliances are coming this week, and bathroom still got some finishing touches. But other than that, we are very close. We're probably a couple of weeks away from getting an occupancy permit. So if you have any questions about these choices we've made, or you know, how to even start, you know, a project like this, or looking for a property like this, then feel free to reach out to myself, the Live Here team, and we're always happy to talk things like this. Okay, we'll talk to you later.